Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best radar detectors available in the market today. Are you tired of unexpected speeding tickets ruining your day? Do you want to drive with confidence, knowing you have an extra layer of protection on the road? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 7 radar detectors that can help you stay alert and avoid those pesky speed traps. We've tested these devices extensively to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information. So buckle up and let's dive into the world of radar detection. 7. Uniden DFR7. This radar detector offers a great balance of performance and affordability, making it an excellent choice for those new to radar detection or on a budget. During our tests, we found the DFR7 to have impressive long-range detection capabilities. It consistently alerted us to XK and car-band radar signals well in advance, giving us plenty of time to adjust our speed. The built-in GPS is a standout feature, allowing the device to remember and mute common false alerts along your regular routes. One of the things we really appreciated about the DFR7 is its voice alerts. These clear, audible warnings allow for hands-free operation, keeping your eyes on the road where they belong. The OLED display is easy to read, showing radar band frequency, signal strength, and even your vehicle's battery voltage. The DFR7 also comes with a preloaded database of red light and speed camera locations, which can be updated for free. This adds an extra layer of protection against fixed position threats. However, we did notice that the DFR7 can be prone to some false alerts in urban areas, despite its K/car band filtering. While not a deal breaker, it's something to keep in mind if you do a lot of city driving. Overall, the Uniden DFR7 offers solid performance at a reasonable price point, making it a great entry-level option for those looking to dip their toes into the world of radar detection. 6. Escort MAX 360C MKII. This is a high-end radar detector that offers a wealth of features for the discerning driver. One of the standout features of the MAX 360C MKII is its directional alert arrows. During our tests, these arrows proved incredibly useful in pinpointing the exact source of radar signals. Whether the threat was coming from ahead, behind, or to the side, we always knew exactly where to look. The MAX 360C MKII also boasts impressive range. In our highway tests, it consistently picked up car band signals from over a mile away, giving us ample time to react. The device uses digital signal processing, DSP, to quickly and accurately identify threats while minimizing false alerts. We were particularly impressed with the auto-learn feature. Over time, the detector learns to recognize and automatically lock out stationary false alerts along your regular routes. This significantly reduced the number of false alarms we experienced during our urban driving tests. The built-in Wi-Fi is another great feature, allowing for easy and automatic updates to both the firmware and the threat database. We found this especially useful for keeping up with the latest speed camera locations. The Escort Live app integration is also worth mentioning. It connects you to a community of other Escort users, providing real-time alerts about speed traps, red light cameras, and other potential threats. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Escort MAX 360C MKII is a top-tier radar detector that offers excellent performance and a host of advanced features for those willing to invest in their driving safety. 5. Uniden R8. Coming in at number 5 is the Uniden R8, a powerhouse of a radar detector that impressed us with its long-range capabilities and advanced features. During our tests, the R8 consistently outperformed many of its competitors in terms of range. It picked up car band signals from astonishing distances, often alerting us to police radar well before we could even see the source. This exceptional range gives drivers ample time to adjust their speed and avoid potential tickets. One of the standout features of the R8 is its multicolor OLED display. The screen is bright, easy to read, and provides a wealth of information at a glance. We particularly appreciated the arrow indicators, which clearly show the direction of incoming threats. The R8 also excels in false alert filtering. It uses GPS technology to learn and automatically lock out stationary false alerts over time. During our urban driving tests, we noticed a significant reduction in false alarms compared to many other detectors we've tried. Another feature we found extremely useful is the R8's ability to display the actual frequency of detected radar signals. This allows experienced users to distinguish between genuine threats and harmless signals from things like automatic door openers. The voice alerts on the R8 are clear and informative, providing all the necessary information without requiring you to take your eyes off the road. We also appreciated the Quiet Ride feature, which automatically mutes alerts when you're traveling below a certain speed. Additionally, like many high-end radar detectors, the R8 comes with a premium price tag, but for those who prioritize performance and are willing to invest in top-of-the-line protection, the Uniden R8 delivers exceptional value. Cobra RAD 480i. At number 4 on our list, we have the Cobra RAD 480i, a mid-range radar detector that offers a great balance of features and affordability. During our tests, we were impressed by the RAD 480i's long-range detection capabilities. It consistently alerted us to XK and car band signals well in advance, giving us plenty of time to adjust our speed. The laser eye technology provides 360-degree protection, detecting signals from both the front and rear of your vehicle. One of the standout features of the RAD 480i is its Bluetooth connectivity. This allows you to pair the detector with your smartphone and use the Uniden app. We found this app to be incredibly useful, providing real-time alerts from other Cobra users about speed traps, red light cameras, and other potential threats. The digital signal processing (DSP) in the RAD 480i is another feature worth mentioning. It provides faster processing for all incoming signals, resulting in more accurate alerts and fewer false alarms. During our urban driving tests, we noticed a significant reduction in false alerts compared to some other detectors in this price range. We also appreciated the clear voice alerts provided by the RAD 480i. These allow for hands-free operation, keeping your eyes on the road where they belong. The OLED display is easy to read, providing all the necessary information at a glance. However, we did notice that the RAD 480i can be a bit chatty in areas with a lot of radar activity. While you can adjust the sensitivity settings, finding the right balance between alertness and peace can take some trial and error. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Cobra RAD 480i offers excellent performance and features at a very reasonable price point. It's a great option for those looking for a reliable radar detector without breaking the bank. Uniden DFR1. Taking the third spot on our list is the Uniden DFR1, a compact and efficient radar detector that punches well above its weight class. During our tests, we were consistently impressed by the DFR1's detection capabilities. Despite its small size and affordable price point, it managed to alert us to XK and car band signals from impressive distances. The 360-degree protection ensures you're covered from all angles, whether the threat is coming from ahead, behind, or to the sides. One of the standout features of the DFR1 is its simplicity. The easy-to-read color icon display provides all the necessary information at a glance, including signal strength meter bars. We found this particularly useful for gauging how close we were to the source of a detected signal. The DFR1 offers both city and highway modes, which we found to be very effective in reducing false alerts. In city mode, the detector adjusts its sensitivity to filter out many of the false signals commonly found in urban environments. Switch to highway mode, and you get maximum sensitivity for long-range detection on open roads. We were also impressed by the DFR1's false alert filtering capabilities. It does an excellent job of ignoring signals from collision avoidance systems and blind spot detectors in other vehicles, which are common sources of false alerts in many radar detectors. The voice alerts on the DFR1 are clear and informative, providing all the necessary information without requiring you to take your eyes off the road. We also appreciated the auto mute feature, which automatically lowers the volume of alerts after the initial warning. Despite these limitations, the Uniden DFR1 offers exceptional performance for its price point. It's an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable, no-frills radar detector that gets the job done without breaking the bank. 2. Radenso XP radar and laser detector. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the Radenso XP radar and laser detector, a device that impressed us with its balance of performance, features, and value. During our tests, the Radenso XP consistently demonstrated excellent long-range detection capabilities. It picked up car band signals from impressive distances, often alerting us to police radar well before we could see the source. This gives drivers ample time to adjust their speed and avoid potential tickets. One of the standout features of the Radenso XP is its GPS lockout capability. This allows the detector to remember common false alert locations along your regularly driven routes. We found this feature to be incredibly effective in reducing false alarms, especially in urban environments, where radar detectors can often be overwhelmed by signals from automatic doors and other non-threat sources. The Radenso XP also excels in its false alert filtering. It uses advanced algorithms to filter out signals from collision avoidance systems and blind spot monitors in other vehicles. During our urban driving tests, we noticed a significant reduction in false alerts compared to many other detectors we've tried. We were particularly impressed with the Radenso XP's low-speed muting feature. This automatically mutes alerts when you're traveling below a user-selectable speed, which is great for reducing unnecessary alerts in slow-moving traffic or residential areas. The OLED display on the Radenso XP is clear and easy to read, providing all the necessary information at a glance. We also appreciated the voice alerts, which allow for hands-free operation and keep your eyes. One, Cobra Escort X80. And finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Cobra Escort X80, a radar detector that truly impressed us with its performance, features, and overall value. During our extensive testing, the X80 consistently demonstrated superior detection capabilities across all radar bands. Its long-range performance was particularly noteworthy, often alerting us to threats well over a mile away. This gives drivers ample time to adjust their speed and avoid potential tickets. One of the standout features of the X80 is its auto-learn technology. Using GPS, the detector learns to recognize and automatically lock out stationary false alerts along your regular routes. We found this feature to be incredibly effective in reducing false alarms, especially in urban environments, where radar detectors can often be overwhelmed by signals from automatic doors and other non-threat sources. The X80 also excels in its false alert filtering. It uses digital signal processing, DSP, to quickly and accurately identify threats while minimizing false alerts. During our urban driving tests, we noticed a significant reduction in false alerts compared to many other detectors we've tried. We were particularly impressed with the X80's Escort Live app integration. This connects you to a community of other Escort users, providing real-time alerts about speed traps, red light cameras, and other potential threats. We found this feature to be incredibly useful, especially when driving in unfamiliar areas. The multicolor OLED display on the X80 is bright, clear, and easy to read, providing all the necessary information at a glance. We also appreciated the voice alerts, which are clear and informative, allowing for hands-free operation. One minor drawback we noticed is that the X80 can be a bit chatty in areas with a lot of radar activity. However, the auto-mute feature helps mitigate this by automatically reducing the volume of alerts after the initial warning. Final thoughts. And there you have it, our comprehensive review of the top 7 radar detectors on the market today. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a high-end device packed with features, there's something on this list for every driver. Remember, while radar detectors can be incredibly useful tools, they're no substitute for safe and responsible driving. Always obey traffic laws and use these devices as an additional layer of protection, not a license to speed. Drive safe, and thanks for watching.